Hello friends, welcome to solid edge sheet metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn solid edge sheet metal hem command. Here we have one sheet metal part and we will apply hem on this part. So click on hem. Now if we want hemming to the outer side of this flange, we need to select outer edge, and if we want from inner side, we need to select this inner edge. So we will select outer edge. This is hem. Now for this hem, we want to modify this radius and this length. For that, we have some options here. So click on hem options, and here this is the type of close type hem, and flange length is 10 mm. If you want to increase this, just enter here 20 and click OK. Now we will measure this one. So PMI smart dimension, this is 20 mm. Again, I want to modify this hem. Click on this hem one. Take first option, edit definition. Click on this hem options and select here different type, that is open. So we can add a radius as well here. If I enter 2 mm radius and 20 mm flange length, click OK. So this is 2 mm radius and 20 mm flange length. Options, yes, flange, we can enter here, and we have notations, that is this one is this bend radius, 2 is flange length, 3 is this radius, bend radius, and 4 again flange length. So click OK. Now we have this type of yes shape, curl, click OK. Open loop, this is open loop. Closed loop, this one is closed loop, and we can control all the dimensions from this tab. So centered loop, this is centered loop. We have one more option, that is meter hem. So click on this. We will take close and 20 mm. Click OK. So we have this type of meter flange here. So these are the options in hem. Hope have you enjoyed this hem command. For more updated videos, please like, share and subscribe channel. Thank you.